In this video we have Hellschain versus Crimson Garuda. Where in manga, Karla actually challenged Bird, and I guess you guys who is the winner. So yeah, so let's see who's going to win in real life. We have Hellschain 560 high tapper versus Crimson Garuda 470 high tapper. Let's start with high mode because that's what she do in anime. So sorry, manga. So let's see who's going to win. 51. Crimson. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Alright, so yeah, Hellschain is actually my favorite Hells variant. I'm sorry, Hammer, but I think Chain is cooler actually. I don't know. Whew. Okay, I guess that's draw. This one. This one was it. Go on, Hellschain. Okay, plus. Come on. Ooh. Okay. Alright, let's see who's going to win now. Winner is going to be Hellschain. Yeah, high tech. Hellschain. Here's the Garuda. You tap a point. Come on. Sorry, not tap a point. What's that? Trans point. Ooh, that's nice shit from Garuda. Okay, that's pretty cool. Come on. Here's the Garuda. Okay. Big impact from Hellschain. This is going to be now. The winner is going to be Hellschain. Oh, it is the next one. Hellschain! Here's the Garuda! Ooh! Okay. Hold on. Okay, now let's see who's going to win now. Hellschain or Garuda. Two balance type, eh? And it's Hellschain! That was good. Hellschain! Garuda! Okay. We'll change it. Come on. Use the bird power, Garuda. Come on. We actually have a guy who named Bird. Come on. Come on, Hellschain. Ooh, Hellschain, win. Yeah. Hellschain! Garuda! Nice hit from Garuda. I mean, both of them actually. Ooh, let's see. Ooh, that's a nice hit. Looks like Hellschain losing some nice. Okay. Garuda. Hellschain. Ooh, okay. Hellschain. Garuda. That's your dash. Beautiful. I think that's kind of what changed a little bit. Oh my god. Alright. Oh shit. Hellschain. Garuda. Okay. Ooh. That mode change, I think you change the mode to low to high, from low to high. Yeah. Garuda win, yo. Let's go. What mode is this? Let's do high mode. Go mode. Whoa. Go with still on high mode first. This one. Garuda. Hellschain. Ooh, back to back. Hellschain? He's going to be Hellschain, alright. But that's it for today's video, today's battle. Hellschain doing really good job, guys. Come on, this is Hellschain. He's so good, okay? Garuda is like, I think this guy just good for attack. I don't think this guy should be a balance or stamina. This guy is supposed to be attack, honestly. So yeah, that's it guys for today's video. I guess the winner is actually Hellschain. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye bye.